So hey guys, again welcome back. This is me Pranay. So we are back with another unboxing of a unique device which is from Gamma called Gamma M25 Mini. So today in this video we are going to unbox this device. So let me just open this device box. So as you can see at the top we have this antique device with us. It has got this unique form factor. So let me just keep this side and inside the box we get this charging cable and obviously nothing else we get. So let me just keep this box side and here's the device. So it is very surprising that it has IPS display, which is very surprising for a keypad device. And let me just remove the back plastic as well. So yeah, you can see we have this very unique kind of device. It is very thick device, but let me just power this on, and you can see the gamma on the boot screen. So as usual, we have this basic home screen, and we have this keyboard, and here's the dialer and other things on this device. Obviously, other feature phone things on this device, music, Bluetooth, etc. So let me just go to the camera and show you the camera quality quickly. So as usual, basic camera, and we cannot expect guys more. So that's all for this review. At the back side you can see the look. It is beautiful device and very unique kind of device. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to channel. Thank you.